This usukusu, they have anti-tumor agent. That means it will prevent the cancer cell from being triggered and surface and become a cancer, and make us become a cancer patient. And secondly, they can suppress the growth of tumor. So even if you already have tumor cells in the body, they suppress it from growing, and spreading to other organs. So when they are in one place, it's quite easy to treat. But if it's already spread throughout the body, it's very serious and very difficult to treat already. Okay, so if this patient is already undergoing cancer treatment, they usually will, hair fall and cannot eat, cannot feel very hot, cannot sleep. But all these drug side effect will be reduced by taking this usukusu. And the third patent this product has is for immune activation. That means our immune system is directly related to our cancer disease, So if we have a strong immune system, normally cancer cells cannot grow and cannot survive. And this product also have a therapeutic agent on hepatitis C. That means they will protect our liver. A lot of us, we have liver disease from fatty liver to liver inflammation and eventually become liver cancer, which is a very quiet disease and very difficult to treat also. Our survival rate is not high at all, it's very low. So protect our body from this liver virus, the virus that will hepatitis virus. So it also protect our body from infection, from especially the SARS virus. The SARS virus is the COVID virus. They prevent our body from being attacked by SARS and protect the action against the toxicity. That means they will detox our body and prevent our body from being toxic, from attacked by toxin. And these are 8 patents. When we talk about patent, as you can see, there are patent numbers here, listed here, patent number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So if you Google, you can see many pages, tens of pages of this patent research and discovery. When a product has patent, that means they are already proven to have this effect. As you can see, many products in the market, they only talk about the effect and talk about the theory, how good this ingredient will help our body. But if they don't have a patent, that means they are not scientifically proven. So this product, usukusu and afterwards will be SOP, are already proven. When they do a patent, they have a scientific proof, they have a scientific research and also clinical trial. They test on human body. So already tested, they are powerful and they are actually having that kind of effect. These are the ingredients of usukusu. Mainly is the salmon DNA, and there are actually 3 types of, we call it peptide. And then they have 3 probiotic, very good probiotic, which will help our body to build the immune system and to balance our immune system. And they have black garlic, good for the heart and our cardiovascular system. And we have we have this glutathione and vitamin D and collagen. So if you take this product, one fine day, you will find your skin a lot better than before, right? So they also have fruits ingredients. They have pineapple extract and kunbu. Kunbu is the seaweed which Japanese and Korean use to mainly make soup. Or if you have go to a Japanese restaurant. So this black garlic is good for our heart. I will skip and then this set of PPT, maybe I can send it to you if you need it. So these are probiotic very good for our guts and for our digestive system and also for our brain. So they will build a very healthy environment inside our body. So when our body have a good environment, all the cells will be happy and good and healthy, right? So salmon DNA, these are the ingredients. And these are the scientific report of skin issue, of a skin condition change. You see, I send you can see the details, the information all by yourself, so we can speed up our presentation. So the concept of this product, the usukusu and the SOP, one is in red, one is in blue, is from the human placenta. You know, this is the baby. The baby is wrapped up in a pool of water. We call it placenta. And this placenta, inside there are nutrition and antibody for the baby to grow healthily. You know, that's why placenta has been used in many, especially Asian country, to treat people and as a health food. But of course, you can imagine some people feel very giddy, feel very uneasy if they have to take human parts like placenta. So this Japanese company, they develop a triple peptide from ocean fish, from deep sea fish, like salmon. So as you can see, the picture here is the fish roe, the fish egg, right? But they are not taking the fish egg. They peel off the membrane, wrapping the fish egg, which is also like the placenta wrapping the baby. That is the layer which is very nutritious. They use the salmon one, and they use the sardine, and also from food. This is a tomato. On the right-hand side is a tomato. So if you notice that tomato seed is also wrapped with a layer of transparent membrane, which is also like the placenta of human being. Now, so they use these three peptide, we call it triple peptide. And if you notice in the market, there are already many years deer placenta, right? Ismail, have you heard about deer placenta?
No.
No, deer placenta is a very expensive supplement. It's now I think is maybe 11 or 12,000 a set. They are extracting the placenta of deer. And if you compare, we make a comparison here, deer placenta and human placenta in comparison with deep sea fish placenta. You can see the figure here, 7.5 for salmon, 4.9 for human, and 5.25 for deer placenta. Okay, so the fish placenta is a lot more powerful than other type of placenta. And you can see here the list of amino acid from fish. They have more types of amino acid, which means they can form into more types of protein for our body, for our different organ to use. Okay, this is already posted and published in the media about this salmon placenta, which is halal and we use for anti-aging market. Usually they are in the skincare product. So you use the skincare, you will be, there's one announcement saying if they have this salmon placenta in the skincare product, it's 100% more powerful than a normal serum because of the salmon DNA, right? This is very medical, all the medical terms here. That means that if a pregnant lady who are taking this usukusu, the baby come out, they will be free of a lot of diseases because these genes will be corrected. Normally, a baby born with a certain disease or born with, they carry some genes which will trigger disease when they are older. But you don't know when it becomes a bomb inside our body. Okay, so if they have this, if they take this usukusu, that means many disease is already reduce the risk to a minimum. So the baby is safe for the whole life. This is a European doctor. He tried the product and say this is a very magical fruit. This is one of the patent, the very important patent of anti-tumor. And they have this imaging of tumor cells being reduced after they take the usukusu. And for breast cancer patient, you see this MCF7 is actually melted. It's like melted. They disappear from our body after they take the usukusu. And for autoimmune system, later on, I will show you some cases of autoimmune problem, which doctor do not have any solution for the patient. The only thing they can use is like painkiller, anti-inflammation, and steroid. Okay, all these have a very bad side effect, which will damage other organ. They cure, they solve, they might be as partly solve one problem, but they bring even more problem for the body. So this usukusu, they will activate our NK cells. Our NK cells is natural killer cell in our body. They will eat up the cancer cells, and they will clean up all the bad cells, the old and age cells. And these cells in our body, they are normal cells, they are not cancer cells, but they are old cells. If these old cells are in our body, imagine they are like those things, those rubbish, those old things in our house. We don't use them, but they are in our house. We don't want to throw them away. We keep it in our house. Our house become very dirty, and or maybe rats will come in and hide inside some of the old things that we keep in our house, right? So these are the cells. It's just like our body. If we keep all these old cells in our body, we will become sick because of these old cells, partly because of these old cells. So if we clean up these cells with our immune system, our body will automatically generate new cells for ourselves, for our body. It's like our house, right? If you clean up the old things, of course, the house will be clean. And whatever you need to buy or need to put in the house, you'll get the new things to put in your house. Your house become very functional, very nice to live in. So these are also the charts. If you have any question, you can stop me, and I can explain something that is interest to you. So this product will increase our white blood cell. You see, a lot of our patients are even like this dengue patient. Normally the white blood cell will drop like.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
No, it's okay. Okay.
You're on the
Proceed, proceed.
phone.
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe you can turn off your mic if you want to talk on the other side. This is about therapeutic agent on hepatitis C. You see, our liver is a very, very important organ in our body. But when they are sick, they work quietly. When they are sick, they will not give you any signal, apart from being very tired or your face become a little bit yellowish. Other than that, they will not be very much pain or whatever that you can feel. But when you really feel the pain, the liver problem is already very serious. So to take this product, they will protect your liver because they will clean up the toxin in your body. So this is a chart showing that you take the uzukusu, the toxin in your body will drop. The reading in your liver, they will drop until a normal level. This is a breast cancer picture. You see, the breast cancer, this is already not very serious, but if you leave it for 2 months, 2 more months, they will be like a pizza on your breast. Bloody, and then it's very painful and very difficult to treat already. So they take this uzukusu and SOP. Only after a few weeks, the wound dry up, and slowly the cancer will disappear. On the right hand side is cancer from the mouth and from the eye. This is a more serious breast cancer case. You see, you already see very bloody. The wounds are bleeding and there are inflammation, they are rotting, the breast is rotting. Even the muscle around is already rotted. So he take the usukusu 7 days, you see, dry up so much. The wound only become a very small part of the whole area. So after 11 days, it's almost all dry up. Breast cancer in Malaysia is really a very serious problem for our ladies. Almost 5 in 1 will develop into breast cancer. So we better be very careful. If the lady in the house is sick, the house will be all upside down. This is a 70 years old Machi. You see, she has this cancer in the head, in the brain. So because it's so near to your brain, it's very difficult to treat. I have a 41-year-old friend. She has just treated her brain cancer, her brain tumor in UM. Already very good team of doctors. But after the treatment, she got a stroke and half of her face is paralyzed now. Her eyelid cannot close. She have to use her finger to close the eyelid. And she already cannot hear from one side of her ear. And the eyes, the eyesight is, the vision is deteriorating. She almost cannot see now. She is only 41 years old. She has 2 young daughters. Also, you can see if this cancer, you cannot suppress them. You cannot, the body cannot eat up the cancer cells. It's very serious. Even though we can go for treatment. For this old lady, she take the product. You see, we have video for her to be able to come out and talk about her condition. But you can see from picture here, the wound already healed from this tumor to a dry wound, and the hair start to grow out after some time. And she is coming out to share. Okay. It's good to share because you help a lot more people. People will be very scared if they go and see doctor. Doctor says this is no cure. You only have 3 months life. So this patient, normally they will give up. But if you see this kind of testimony, maybe you will bring up your new hope because you still have a family to take care who don't want you to die so soon. So if you have a tumor like this, you recover. We hope everybody can share the experience. Even young children now, you see 13 years old young children, young child, she also have a tumor in her head and recover. And this is another one from the neck. This is a thyroid tumor. You see? So she is growing this tumor and she take the product. Only after 14 days, you see the tumor reduce like only 1/4 of the tumor, 3/4 of the tumor is gone. So she continue taking and she recovered totally. This is another patient in Penang. You see her face, if you notice, her face is full of reddish and like Rosa, deep red spots because he has a colon cancer, and after treatment, after chemo, the colon cancer spread to the liver. That is usually what happens. Either they will remit, they will stop for a while, the cancer will stop for a while, and they come back afterwards, or they will spread to other part of our body. So after this gentleman take the product for 2 months, you see a large part of the spots and the color, the reddish color has gone. And his hair also grow out. You can see the hair grow and become black. On the left-hand side, you see the hair is white. On the right-hand side, the hair is already blackened. When your hair is black, that means your liver and your kidney start to recover. And after only 3 months, you see the whole person change. From this one, you see, from this very sick person to a very happy and healthy person. So we can show you his sharing. This is in English. Maybe later on we will translate it into BM also. This is another case, a young girl with this infection on the face. If you don't treat it, if you don't treat this case, the eye, in one fine day, the eye cannot see, because they will spread on your face and they will attack all the organs, all the parts, all the tissues on the face, and eventually they will attack your brain. So all these are very special case, but if we talk about high blood pressure and diabetes, it's very simple for this product to reverse those cases. This is another case is lupus on the face. You see, this is a virus. This lady already cannot see. The eye is attacked and it's going to attack her brain. And doctor also cannot do anything because it's very near to the brain. So after she take the usukushu and the SOP, and together with a serum on the face, she totally recover in 3 months. You see the new skin coming out is even better than last time. This is a doctor, Dr. Ibrahim Linta, and he has cured many patients with AFC product, and the father who has diabetes also recover. This is another gentleman, Iska. He has diabetes and taking the product for 20 days, only 20 days, the blood sugars dropped from 7.1 to 5.7. which is very normal. Only 20 days without any other changes. He take the product only. The blood sugar dropped from 7.1 to 5.7. Cholesterol dropped from 6.6 to 5.6, right? He has not even completed one box. This is another gentleman. He has a car accident and very serious. The whole head actually cracked and some part already busted. So he went into a coma and doctors say not much chance lah. But he take this product and he survived and even younger than before. So he is 50 years old. He go for a checkup. The professor, I happily tell him, your heart now is only 30 years old. So this product, yesterday we were talking about this product. They will help you to solve your health problem, but they have a side effect. The side effect is they make you younger by 10 years, 20 years. From the surface, from our face, you can tell already. You see this kind of cases? You see, this man, 50-year-old, he has been taking a lot of nutrition product and using a lot of devices, hoping to get younger and get rid of the holes, the rough skin on his face. He has a rocky face, you see? And after he take for 3 weeks only, you can compare. The two faces, it's like a different person. We say he changed your face. This one, if you go for this aesthetic operation, they will do like laser and other things on your face, which will temporarily make your face red, like inflamed. And then after 2 weeks or so, they will you get very nice skin. But if your body from inside, the toxin is not clear, it will not last. After some time, you have to go back for the treatment again. Of course, that costs a lot of money, but it's only on your surface. Can you imagine only your surface that the skin will look nicer, but inside your body, you cannot change anything because the laser is only on the surface skin. But if you take this product, the whole body, the inside organs will be all changed. You can imagine this rocky face, the skin here change. Your blood vessel will be repaired also. Your liver, your kidney will also be repaired. This lady, you see the kind of skin, we see a lot of people have this kind of very dark skin. Not only dark, they are like, there's a layer of toxin mist on the face, right? Like a clothes that you have not washed properly. They are smelly and then they are not fresh. They just dirty lah. So inside our body is the same. If we have toxin in our body, you will see it on the face. So you see after she take the product for a few weeks, so much difference, right? It's like she totally changed her face to become younger and not so much toxin in the body. She also have this, not from here, you can see not only wrinkles, she have this, how do you call it, the bitchy of transparent or black color on the face and on the neck. These are either cholesterol if they are quite transparent skin color, or toxin if they are dark color. So after 45 days, 1.5 months, you see all these things, the spots, the black spot, the pigmentation has reduced, and the lines are softened, and you can see many spots here are clear up already. And this is a nutritionist. You see her, the face color all changed, right? The texture of the skin also changed so much. This is a movie star in Indonesia. She has got this COVID, and she has rashes on her face. She is so worried. Afterwards, if I have this problem, I cannot be a movie star anymore. So she take this Usu and she disappeared for the whole month. Nobody can find her. And then when she come out, she become more beautiful because everything clear, and she has new cells growing in her body. So her skin, her face shape all become better. This is a nose cancer patient. 1 year ago and 1 year now, 2024 only, in January only, 2 months ago. He take the Usukusu and he becomes so much healthier, and this is a medical report to prove that his cancer cell cannot be detected anymore. This is another Penang case. You see, he has this nose cancer. And after treatment, you can see the neck. All this skin are damaged on both sides. And then he has this tongue problem after chemo. If you come across some chemo patient, they cannot eat, they cannot drink, they cannot sleep, they cannot even breathe properly. It's because the chemo toxin are very powerful in the body. They kill a lot of your good cells. They will make you very uncomfortable. You cannot eat, you cannot sleep. But after he take this product, after he go over all this treatment, only then he meet the product. He say, if I meet this product earlier, I don't have to suffer so much. This is him when he first take the product, the one in the middle. You see the face are still quite sick looking. After he take the product for 3 months, totally he's like his grandson. Looks so much younger and he is so much happier. I will send you the video of him talking about his condition and his son-in-law's condition. Son-in-law actually, after he got this vaccine, one day he cannot walk. He just feels so weak, he cannot walk, he cannot do anything. So he go to ICU, doctor also cannot do anything, send him home. So after he go home, he asked the doctor, when can I walk again? The doctor say about 6 months, you quickly do more physiotherapy, then do some exercise on your own, then you can hopefully walk, move in 6 months. So after he come home, the father-in-law, this nose cancer patient, give him this product to take. So that was before the Chinese New Year. You know, Chinese New Year, people visit each other, just like Raya, they visit each other. So he take the product every day. So after only 12 days, he can walk again. He walk without even dongget. So the doctor say 6 months, he walk in 12 days. So this is a lady in Indonesia. He had stroke. So after he take the product, he's selling on the roadside. What already? Cannot remember. Selling something on the roadside. So after he take the product, recover from stroke, and he is now in AFC business. He is earning like 60 to 80,000 ringgit in a month. That is before. Now he might have grown his team and earning even more. This is Super Rasu. And they have a lot of award for this product. This product is cell regeneration. The patent, you can see the patent is on cell regeneration. They generate new cells for you and they will activate your existing good cells. When your good cells is very powerful, is very strong, they will kill up, they will wipe out the bad cells in your body. That is the logic in our body. How our body heal ourselves is the good cells are very strong, the bad cells start to disappear. And this product is also improving our our blood circulation. That means they will clear out the inflammation, they will clear out the blockage and the blood clot and also the cholesterol, excess cholesterol in our bloodstream. They are anti-hypertension. That means they will reduce your risk of high blood pressure, because a lot of disease in our body is caused by high blood pressure, including stroke, including kidney disease, and a lot of this mental problem, digestive system is also affected by our blood pressure. And they also prevent blood clotting. Blood clotting very important. Some people, they go for angiogram. They will clear part of your blood vessel, but they have not cleared the blood clot. So this part of the blood vessel is like repair, so the blood can go through easily, but the clot is not clear. So the blood clot will travel with your blood circulation. If they go to your brain, you'll get a stroke. That is a theory of how our body works. But medical treatment, they can only like widen your blood vessel in that part where there is a blockage, but they do not clear the blood clot. They cannot. Not that they don't want to, but they cannot do it, right? Only our body can do it ourselves. If you supply the good food, the good nutrition for your body will go stronger and they will clear up all this rubbish, all this clots in your blood vessel. This is the patent, cell regeneration. Cell regeneration actually is like a stem cell therapy. If you go for stem cell therapy, it's like start from 60,000. Very expensive. Normally, our general public cannot do it because it's very expensive. And you also have to stop work for how many days, 1 week or 2 weeks to do it properly. So they have to, you have to pay a lot of money, but this super ratio, they give you a cell regeneration effect, which is similar to stem cell therapy and so much cheaper than, also very simple for everyone who can do it and consume the product at home. This is a comparison of if you have to go for a transplant. Normally you will heard people say, I have a kidney transplant, I have a liver transplant. Some even go for heart transplant. And they cost a lot of money. 1 million US dollar, $1 million US is 5 million ringgit, and a few million ringgit to transplant a kidney. I have a few kidney patient, dialysis patient in Ipoh and also over in Malaysia. If they go for a transplant, they have to pay few million. All the saving of the family will be used up. And you have to know, if you go for a transplant, doesn't mean you solve the problem totally, because the transplant will cause a rejection in your body. Your body immune system will attack the new organ that is the newly implanted in your body. So you will have another set of problem. I have a friend who he had a leukemia. So he matched, luckily the brother's bone marrow matched with him. So he implanted with few $1 million in Singapore, implanted the brother's bone marrow into his body. And now his blood type has changed to the brother's blood type. That means he is not he now. He is not himself now. He is partly another person. He is partly his brother. But until now, 3 years already, the body is still attacking the new the bone marrow. And he is still very sick. He cannot come out to eat out. He can only stay home and feel very weak every day. 2-story house. When he go upstairs, he has to stop in the landing. He has to stop halfway to breathe before he can go on going up to his room. He is that bad. His wife say he's now 20 years older than his age. Pay so much money and not recovering. These are what the SOP can help our body. Because they give you new cells. So basically they can help your whole body, but including your heart, your blood vessel, your brain, your kidney, your pancreas, your liver, your bone and joints, and your hair, and your nervous system and lymphatic system. They promote blood circulation. That means your body cells have a better supply of nutrition and oxygen, which they need to survive. These are medical report. You can see they repair the net in your kidney, and they will reduce the blood clot, so you don't have this clot traveling around in your body, which might cause a stroke. They will control your blood sugar and your blood pressure. Good for baby, good for old people, good for hair growth, and good for antioxidant. They reduce together with usukusu, they will reduce your wrinkle a lot. This is the effect of 2 Japanese doctor. They say the first week they take it, they feel they have better sleep. Doctors are very hardworking, very stressful, so usually they do not sleep well. So after they take the product for 1 week, they feel they have a better sleep. And then the body very painful. The body, the shoulder, the back, usually they will have pain, they have ache on these parts of the body, because they will be sitting down there and doing the consultation, and maybe keeping a certain position to do the operation. So after first week, 2 weeks, they feel they are a lot more energetic. They don't have the pain. They don't have the aches in the body, on the back, on the shoulder. They also reduce the feeling of being cold, because in Japan they have cold weather, right? So sometimes they feel very cold. But after they take on the third week, they feel they don't feel the cold anymore. On the 4th week, they feel even the mood is improved. You see, doctors are very rushed, right? They are very stressful, very rushed. Sometimes they don't talk to you as a patient. Sometimes they even scold you. So after the 4 week, on the 4th week taking the super rasua, they feel they are very calm, very patient when they're talking to the patient and when they are doing operation. These are the diabetic cases. You see, as you can see here, the food already rotten. So after 2 more months or so, the food will drop off, or the doctor will chop off the food. So you take 3 boxes, you see, the wound close up, dry up, and eventually this wound is healed. On this side, you can see even more magical. Even the bone are black. So only after a few days, this bone will drop off on its own. If you go and see doctor will, of course, will chop off your foot from the ankle up. So the infection will start to go up your foot, the lower foot, the lower leg, and then they will start to chop off your lower leg also. And when they go up, they will, even the upper leg might be chopped off. But they take the product, you can see, only after 7 boxes, the muscle come back, the skin come back, and even the bone become white. That means the bone cells are alive again. This is a burn case. The skin already burned until like this. Luckily, it's only part of the skin, so he recovered quickly. Only 4 days, you see. This testimony is 4 days. So much difference. And this is a skin problem. Normally, doctor only prescribe this. Where are we? This doctor only prescribe steroid. The only way they can do is by steroid. Another thing they can do is stem cell treatment. But stem cell treatment is not so easy to apply. First of all, it's very expensive. These are all diabetic cases. In Malaysia, 5 in 1 person, they have diabetic. And even more people have pre-diabetic. That means they are on the way to have this kind of serious problem. This is a gentleman in Indonesia. The doctor say he only has 3 months life because, as you can see here, he is very, very sick. All his organs are collapsing. And he has to go for dialysis immediately, because if he don't go for dialysis, the toxin in the body will kill him immediately. So after he go for dialysis and he start taking the product, now he recovered. Even the dialysis, no more dialysis for him. He do not have to go for dialysis anymore because he diagnosed with leukemia and kidney failure. Doctors say he had only 3 months to live. And now he recovered. Totally get rid of dialysis. Is there any question you want to ask? These are all beauty anti-aging cases, reverse aging. Everybody okay? So I continue.
Yes.
This is hair growth. After 2 boxes, the hair grow back. Start to see hair growth, new hair coming out. After 5 boxes, the hair color start to turn black. This is a doctor. He got this COVID, and then the wife bought this SOP for him. He scolded the wife. I'm a doctor. What do you think? How do you think I would need this kind of supplement? I have medication. So he still take because very uncomfortable. He had this fever and this sore throat and cannot breathe. So he anything just take So he take. After only few days, he recovered. So he have leftover in the box, 28 sachets. He only take about 10 sachets. He already recovered. So he continue finishing the sachets in the box. So after he finish, he find his hair grow back and darken. If you can see from this picture, the hairline grow back. So he's growing hair and his hair start to get darker. So he has also a video talking about his own experience and how he cured patients, how he helped many patients with this product. This is a case with a face, rocky face. I took a photograph with him. He is called Raymond, and very successful case, and he is very, very happy. After 30 years, he cannot solve the problem. Now he solved the problem. This is a close-up for this lady who has this black spots, pigmentation, and rough skin, and the outgrowth on her face. We call it edema. This gentleman is from Ipoh. He is a tax consultant now. Very special case because I took the photograph. That's why I don't have reason to disbelieve it. Otherwise, I will ask why one day only you have so much changes. That is I went up to Ipoh. He's my good friend. I went up to Ipoh and have dinner with him. And the next morning, I told him, Mr. Tan, I have to leave for KL. So he said, no, let's have breakfast first. Then you only, after breakfast, you go back lah. So I said, okay lah. So we go for breakfast together. After breakfast, when we come out of this restaurant, I say, Mr. Tan, let me take another photograph of you. So took another photograph, you can compare. Can you see the difference? The wrinkle and the skin color changed so much. Even the hair color changed, but I asked him, did you dye your hair this morning? He said, no, I use this wax, which I have been using for many years already. So it's the wax that darkens his hair color. But if you see the color on the face, the lines on the face, you can see so much difference. People ask me, is there any filter? Yes, my phone has filter, but I'm using the same phone to take both photographs. Slightly filter, but it's the same phone, the same thing with this different result. This is another face case. I go over them very quickly. So this is a vegan product. So for those people who want to be vegetarian and still want this product, we have this vegan product for them. And they target mainly the brain and the eye, and of course for the whole body also, because when they regulate your brain and give you new cells, your whole body will recover. This is a serum that we use. The company use this salmon peptide. As we say, some saying say with salmon peptide in the serum is 100% more powerful than normal serum. So if you use this product a few days only, you can see the difference on your face. So in case you use it, in case you open it and use it, make sure you take photograph of yourself before and after you use it for a few days. Keep monitoring your change of the condition. So when you take this one, you put on your face and slightly massage your face for about a minute or so. They will give you the best effect. As you can see, it's just a serum. They have 5 patents from Japan and from Korea also. 5 patents for actually every product of AFC, especially in the AFC MLM, is very powerful. And they use a lot of money and energy to do this product to make sure they can give the effect that it claims. So they can heal your wound, they can moisturize, hydrate, and whiten your skin. They can smoothen your skin. Just a minute, my computer is running out of battery.
Is Maya so far okay, not Maya?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay, they can make your skin glow, and they can remove the dark circle in your skin. Of course, it's anti-aging. If all this problem is solved, they are anti-aging. So they can help hair growth if you apply it on your hair, on your head. And if you apply on open wound, they can quickly heal the wound. And if you take a product, if you recommend a product to especially patient, we have to make sure it's very safe. And this company, they take a lot of energy to apply for all this cert to make sure that products are very safe. So it's free of antibiotic, pesticide, heavy metal, free of hazardous chemicals and hormones and nuclear radiation pollution. They are organic and they do not have GMO and hormones. These are all certificates that you can see from their website, and they keep getting more and more certificates to make sure their products are very safe and very effective.